Hey, it's Donna from Donna Coker's The Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps. And today in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about something that I'm sure a lot of people wonder about, except those that are making it, is can you really make money selling handmade soaps? And that's kind of a loaded question because you can make money. And you may have already been making money with family, friends, acquaintances, that type of thing. When you put yourself out there online, unless you've got a lot of money to funnel into marketing and ad campaigns, it's going to be a slow go, let me tell you that. So you might go to vendor events and things like that, and so that's another way that you could make money. But making handmade soap is not something that you're going to get rich off of really fast unless you just really hit something that goes viral like Dr. Squatch did. There are some other people who have popularized their soap through YouTube and have done the same thing, but everyone else, you pretty much just have to work and work and work and work and work. And that's what I was having to force myself to come in here and work. So that's what I was doing, and I thought, well, I was sitting here thinking about that, so why not just do a little video on that? But also, I'm in here to unmold some little cupcakes I made, and I did their chocolate cupcakes. They're going to get darker. They'll go in the little gift box, and they'll have shred in it, and you'll get 3 little cupcakes. So yeah, it had ribbons and things like that on it. But yeah, you have to really come up with some different things, and you know, a lot of people, maybe people you know, they don't know the benefits. They've never tried handmade soap, or maybe they are loyal to someone else that makes products, or loyal to just a product that they have been using for a long time. So yeah, it's really hard to make money making, and I would venture to say not just handmade soap, and I do lotion, but I would say just about any handmade product is probably harder to sell now, because things are mass produced, and they do that to get more of it out to make more money. But in the process, you're losing some things. And another soap maker that I'm subscribed to his channel, Patrick, over at Soapy Oaks Farm, did an excellent talk about that on one of his latest videos about buying from artisans and also buying American made when possible. So if you are watching this and thinking about going into making soap and thinking you're going to jump right in and make big money right off the bat, well, I truly hope you do. I do. But that is not generally what's going to happen. The biggest probability is you're going to enjoy yourself and have a lot of fun making soap. You're going to sell some soap. We all sell some soap. We make really cute soaps, so why wouldn't people buy our soaps? But you're not going to just dive right into it, and it doesn't matter how long you've been doing it, how good your soap may be, or how much your family loves it or you love it. It's not going to just, unless you get really, really lucky, it's not going to just fly off of your shelves and out of your stock. So, I don't know. You know, unless you have a really good marketing and advertising campaign, you know, I really don't know what else to say about that. Yeah, I would love for my website to do better, and I'm hoping eventually it'll get there when the brand name gets out and people, use the products and see that they're nice products and that they are different than mass-produced products. But we'll just have to see. But anyway, for anybody that's just thinking about it and was trying to figure out whether they wanted to do this or not, just wanted to give you some cold facts about it, because soap making is not cheap. And if you need something, that's going to get you from here to here really quickly, then this may not be the avenue that you want to take. Now, if you need something to occupy your time that's really fun to do, and that, eventually you're going to make some money from it, but it's not going to be, probably not going to be, and I won't say all the time, because I know there's a lot of people that make good money selling their products, but it's just a little something to think about. So you really don't realize what all is involved with opening an online store, and that's a task in and of itself. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now, and I hope you guys will subscribe, possibly like the video, watch some others, visit me on my Facebook page at A Cherry Bloom, Instagram A Cherry Bloom, even head on over to my website, please. No, acherrybloom.com is the website, and I hope you'll connect with me in one of those ways. So thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you again soon.